Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the WhatsApp desktop microphone not working problem. First, open WhatsApp desktop on your PC. Now click the three-dot menu and go to Settings. From here, open Voice and Video. You will see the microphone option here. If you have a microphone connected to your computer, make sure the correct microphone is selected. In my case, this PC does not have a microphone, and I also don't have a headphone or external microphone connected, so I won't make a call or perform an audio test in this video. Instead, let's check the Windows microphone permissions. Open Windows Settings. Now click Privacy and Security, then scroll down and select Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Next, make sure Let Apps Access Your Microphone is also turned on. You should also check Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone and make sure it is enabled. Now go back to the main settings page. Click System, then select Sound. Under the Input section, check whether a microphone is available. If you have a microphone connected, select it and adjust the input volume as needed. If no microphone is shown, your computer may not have a microphone available. In that case, connect a microphone or a headset with a microphone. After connecting it, open WhatsApp desktop again and check the microphone settings. These steps can help fix common WhatsApp desktop microphone problems. And remember, WhatsApp voice calls require a working microphone and audio device. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.